Good morning, student. Now we are discuss about plant anatomy and plant physiology, right? Just first of all, we are discuss about plant anatomy and plant physiology. Introduction. Plant exhibits varying degrees of organization. Atoms are organized into molecules, molecules into organelles, organelles into cells, cells into tissue, and tissue into organs. The first account of internal structures of plant was published by English physician Nehemiah Grieve. He is known as father of plant anatomy. Understand? Who is father of plant anatomy? Nehemiah Grieve. He is a father of plant anatomy. Plant anatomy, Greek word ana means as under, temnin, to cut. This is for meaning. This is a Greek word. This is a study of internal structures of plant. You have already studied the different kinds of tissue in 11th standard, right? Okay. In this lesson, you will study about the internal structures of plant tissue, process of photosynthesis and respiration, right? Next, first of all, we are going to study about tissue. What is meant by tissue? Tissue are the group of cells that are similar or dissimilar in structures and origin, but perform similar function. Then plant tissue can be broadly classified into two based on their ability to divide. Two types. They are meristematic tissue, permanent tissue, right? Now we are discuss about tissue system, right? The scientist named Sachs 1875 classified tissue system in plant into three types. First one is terminal or epidermal tissue system, ground tissue system, third one vascular tissue system, right? Now we are discuss about terminal or epidermal tissue system. It consists of epidermal stomata and epidermal outgrowths. Epidermal is the outermost layer. Do you know about epidermal? Epidermis. It is a outermost layer. It has many minute pores called stomata. Stomata is a very minute grooves. Cuticle is present on the outer wall of the epidermis to check evaporation of water. Trichomes and root hair the epidermal outgrowths. It is all dermal or epidermal tissue system. The dermal or epidermal tissue system main function is epidermis protect the inner tissue. Stomata helps in transpiration. Root hair helps in absorption of water and minerals. It is the main functions of terminal or epidermal tissue system. Next, we are discuss about ground tissue system. It includes all the tissue of the plant's body except epidermal and vascular tissue like cortex, endoderms, pericycle and pith. It is the very most ground tissue system. Vascular system. Vascular tissue system. It consists of xylem and phloem tissues. Already you know xylem and phloem. What is meant by xylem and what is meant by phloem? They are present in the form of bundle called vascular bundles. Xylem contact water and minerals to different part of the plant. Phloem contains food materials to different part of the plants. There are three different type of vascular bundles, namely radial, second one is conjoint, third one is concentric. It is a three type of vascular bundles. It's a very important. The radial bundles. Now we are seen in the diagram, radial diagram. It is a radial diagram. The radial diagram contains xylem, the red line called xylem, and here present in phloem, it is a radial. Radial bundles, xylem and phloem are present in different radial alternating with each other. Example, root. Second one is conjoint bundles. It is a conjoint bundles. Xylem and phloem lie on the same radius. There are two types of conjoint bundles. There are two types of conjoint bundles. Next, we are discuss about collateral bundles. Xylem lies towards the center and phloem lies towards the periphery, outermost region. When cambium is present in collateral bundle, it is called open. Example, dicot stem. Collateral bundle without cambium is called closed. This is a very important one mark. Collateral bundle without cambium is called closed. Example, monocot stem. Next, bicollateral. In this type of bundle, the phloem is present on the both outer and inner side of the xylem. Example, cucurbitae. Do you know about cucurbitae? It is one of the plant. C. Conjoint bilateral. It is a outer phloem, the middle yellow color marking, outer cambium, then middle region, xylem. Already you know about xylem. Then inner cambium. This is outer cambium. This is inner cambium. Last one is inner phloem. That is called a conjoint bilateral. Next, concentric bundles. Vascular bundles in which xylem completely surrounded the phloem or vice versa is called a concentric vascular bundle. It is of two types. Amphiversal. So amphiversal is a xylem surrounding phloem. Trachecina, example, is a very important example. Trachecina. See the concentric amphiversal diagram. Xylem, outer region, inner region, phloem. Next, amphicerebral. So amphicerebral means phloem surrounding xylem. See, next, before we are discuss about amphiversal. Xylem surrounding phloem called amphiversal. Amphicerebral means phloem surrounds xylem. It is a major difference. Example, ferns. Enriched protoxylem lies towards the center and metaxylem lies towards the periphery. Periphery means outer, the center means inner region. Example, stem, right? Exarch means protoxylem lies towards the periphery and metaxylem lies towards the center. Example, root. Example, right. Tissue system and its function. What are the functions of tissue system? It is a very important 4-mark questions. Tissue system. Dermal tissue system is a component's name, epidermis and periderm. In older stems and roots, its main function is production, prevention of water loss. It is a main function. Terminal tissue. Ground tissue system. Parenchyma tissue, collenchyma tissue, sclerenchyma tissue. This is a 3 type of, it contain ground tissue system contain 3 type of tissue. Parenchyma tissue, collenchyma tissue, sclerenchyma tissue. Its major function is photosynthesis, food storage, regeneration, support, production. They are all major functions of ground tissue system. Do you well know photosynthesis, the preparation of food, and storage. Regeneration means the damaged part will be regenerate. Then support means the production of food. Then protection, it is very important. Then vascular tissue system. Vascular tissues, the first one is xylem tissue, second one is phloem tissue. Transport of water and minerals is the main functions. Transport of food, the phloem tissue main function is transport of food. The xylem main function is transport of water and minerals. Next, internal structures of dicot root. Example, bean. It is a dicot plant. A thin transverse sections of dicot root shows the following structures. Epiblemma. It is the outermost layer. Then cuticle and stomata are absent. The epilemma, cuticle and stomata are not present. Unicellular root has or absent. It is also known as rhizoderms or proliferous layer. What is called a proliferous layer? Where it is present? It is a very important 2-mark question. Then cortex. It is the outermost region. It is a multi-layered large zone made up of thin-walled parenchymatous cells with intracellular spaces. It stores food and water. The food and water, where it is stored, is a very important role. It is a very important regions. It's a cortex. Next, endodermis. It is the innermost layer of cortex. The cells are barrel-shaped, closely packed and so band-like, thickening on the radial and inner tangential walls called Casparian strips. This is a very important Casparian strips. It helps in the movement of water and dissolved salts from cortex into xylem. The dissolved water, dissolved salt from cortex into xylem. Next, we are discuss about steel, right? Thank you, students. Thank you. Thank you.